What's up, everybody? Been in the market to upgrade my home theater, if that's what you want to call it, recently, and been looking, had my mind set on a couple other things, but I found I had a tremendous deal. Got a tremendous deal on this one today. It's the Denon AVR-X4500H. You can see right here. But let's do a real quick unboxing, and so we can see what's inside. This is going to be my the first piece of replacing everything. I'll make some more videos about everything else, but this is just your just real quick unboxing. You can see just the guy. Looks like all the other videos have the same thing. It's got the little stickers and stuff for the wiring, for the cables. It's got your power cable. Pretty beefy too. The remote looks similar to the other models. I was looking at the 4400H. Looks similar to that. Of course, let's just pull this out. But you got the mic for the calibration. Quick start guide. And here it looks like the same, basically antenna holder, or not antenna, I'm sorry, but the mic holder for the calibration. Of course, you got the battery for the remote. Let's just pull this sucker out real quick. Man, this thing is heavy. Guess that's a good thing. Let's put this over right here. Set it on top. Take a little better look here. Pretty nice. Like I said, just a real quick video of the unboxing, but it's basically everything. Same type of thing everybody else does. But I think this one just has the, as far as from the 4400H, where is it at? It has, what is it? Man, I can't think of what it is, but I know it has the upgraded HDMI. Well, I believe that's what it is. But let's take a look at the back. Let's see. But all your I/O. Basically the same stuff as previous models, but this is a 9.1.2 or 9.2, or to be honest with you, I'm barely getting back into this, guys. Like, seriously. I have a 7.1 Pro Logic. It's a Pioneer Elite. It's like 15 years old, you know, and I got 2-channel stereo going. That's it. So this is gonna be my first the start of my new home theater. But I'm gonna go pretty big. I'm gonna go with some clips. I want to get some Atmos in the ceiling. It should be pretty good. Like I said, I really enjoy watching movies and stuff like that with the family, and this is gonna be the first step. But I got this on a really good deal. I got it at Fry's. I'll post a link in the description. This is the new model, and I basically got it for like last year's price. So give a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, anything like that, leave them in the comments. Peace.